Hey guys, it's Victor here. So we got our 2024 SEMA project on the lift, Porsche 914. Let's get to it. So we got some of our parts laid out here for our 914. Thanks to PMB for a lot of our brake components. Bilstein for our shocks, front and rear. JP supplied us with the front and rear sway bar kit. We already got that installed in the car. And these are PMB's custom calipers that are nicely powder coated. They're gonna look pretty good on the 914. So we partnered up with Stoddard and they supplied us with a lot of parts for our 914 build. We already got some mounted on the car. They fit perfect. So check out our seats here. We had SoFine stitch them up for us with our Spirit of Lamont plaid inserts. They also had EMPI embossed in the headrest. And we're at that point now where we can get these in the car. So check out our custom-made 4-lug Sprint Stars. We have Bruce at Vintage V-Dubs narrow them from an 8 to a 7-inch, mounted with Yokohama. So let's get these installed on the 914.
At the heart of every great build is precision, and the EMPI Porsche 914 is no exception. Hi, I'm Chelsea with Bilstein, the world leader in OEM and aftermarket suspension technology. We are so excited to be working with EMPI on this build. We have a deep history with Porsche and come standard on many of their applications. Upgrading to a set of our B6 performance dampers is really going to bring this 914 to life. It's going to make it more capable on road, and it's frankly going to be a lot more fun to drive. We offer a full line of products ranging from shocks for your daily driver to track-proven coilover systems, off-road racing applications, and everything in between. To find out what we have for your vehicle, head to cart.bilsteinus.com and follow us on social at bilsteinus.
Hey everybody, it's Eric and the crew from PMB Performance here in Salt Lake City. Here at PMB, we specialize in the brake end of the business for vintage Porsches and VWs. We are super excited to be involved with the EMPI 914 project because, as you may know, we kind of specialize in 914s and brakes. So What we've done here, all the way from the master cylinder to the brake lines, to the rotors, to the calipers, everything's got our special touch on it. This is a super system that we put on this car. We'd love to have you come visit us here in Salt Lake City or visit us online at pmbperformance.com.
Hi, I'm Roger Parker, General Manager at Stoddard-NLA in Cleveland. We're very excited to be part of this EMPI Porsche 914 project. Stoddard is a leader in Concours restoration parts for vintage Porsches, including the 914. From sheet metal to engine parts to windshields and seals, we have everything you need for your Porsche restoration, and we ship worldwide. We proudly supplied much of the trim, gaskets, and finishing material for this beautiful car. Please visit our all-new website at stoddard.com.
My name is Jason. I'm with Just Dashes, and we restore dashboards for classic cars. We specialize in foam shaping and thermal vacuum forming. We helped EMPI in their 914 build, making them a brand new dash pad for their custom 914.
Hi, I'm Torben Pagh, President of JP Group in Denmark. We're the manufacturer of brands like Jopex for Volkswagen Mercedes and Dansk Original SSI for Porsche. This is, amongst others, exhaust systems and metal parts, as you see here. We have sponsored a number of parts, stabilizer links, sun visors, but also, importantly, rocker panels like this, left and right. Beautiful Dansk exhaust, you can see it on the car. It goes with the SSI heat exchangers. Beautiful pieces, stainless steel underneath the car. Last but not least, look at the beautiful fenders, front, left and right, all made in a full metal pressing. Have fun with the car, have fun at the EMPI PMO booth, and enjoy Apex SEMA.
Welcome to SOM HQ. I'm Andy Clegg, the Tartanpreneur, and it's from this HQ in the northeast of Scotland that we distribute our fabrics all over the world. Now, EMPI are one of our distribution partners, which is amazing because it means I get to come to Vegas to share with the 914 build that you'll see at the show. Inside that build, you will notice the fabric. So we've got the SOM Racing Houndstooth. It's got a tartan pattern, but we've got a houndstooth effect running through it. You'll see that in the car, it's gonna look amazing. So if you want to find me, well, you'll see me at the show, right? I'll be the guy in the kilt, so come and say hello. Our website is solm.co.uk. If you use Instagram, you can go and find me there. Hashtag SOLM and you'll find me no problem at all. You'll see all the tartans are beautiful. So there we go. This is SOM HQ. I'll see you at the SEMA Show. Remember, I'll be the guy in the kilt. Come and say hello and let's have a talk about your projects. Cheers, see you there.
Gonna let it all hang out. After midnight, we're gonna shake it up and shout. We're gonna talk about superstition, give an exhibition.
Hi everybody, hey, it's Mike here from So Fun Interior Products. Alongside me, Logan, and of course the President, Carol. We're just here to tell you that we had a very good time last year doing the GTV bug for EMPI for the SEMA car. This year we did a beautiful 914 Porsche, and I think Logan can tell you more about it.
Yeah, we think you're gonna love this interior. Hopefully you can be able to swing by their booth and check out that 914 Porsche and all the hard work that's gone into it and the beautiful interior that we help install for it. If you have any questions about what we might be able to do for you, you can give us a ring, 720-287-2127, or check us out on our website, sofineproducts.com.
Hi, I'm Bruce at Vintage V-Dubs, and this is what we specialize in. We do full custom suspensions, brakes, spindles, all the components that you would need. What we got here are custom wheels that we do. We did the 914 wheels on the EMPI car. This is what they call the cut face. This is the EMPI Deep 6 that we modify with our spokes. We do front and rear disc brakes. Our biggest want and our biggest desire is these copper finished 911 Fuchs. This is a 4.5 with a chrome center cap. Then over here, we take a nice, beautiful 4.5 chromed alloy, and this is powder coated finish for long lasting, for pressure washing and brake ducts. We've been authorized to sell EMPI parts for about 15 years now. We have it on the shelf, come and grab it. You can pick it up local or we can ship it. Your call, but we have tons of inventory here at the location.